Baby, I'm back by popular demand.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is future me coming to you with the intro because the old intro kind of got lost in the sauce. So in today's video, we'll be doing a makeup try on. It's not really a haul. I have a new brand that I will be testing out for you guys. So I really hope that you like it. It's one of the ones that you see all the time that pops up as an ad on all your social media feeds. So I finally gave in and decided to test it. So just make sure that you continue to watch and tell me what you think at the end. Alright, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. If you're returning, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. And let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so I'm back. So the footage cut out and the clips that I recorded kind of cut out, so I'm just coming back, future me, and telling you about the makeup. So as you see, I have tried the Il Makiage makeup, and you know they say that they do, like, they send it to you for free. You just have to pay for $5 shipping, which is what I did. But I got, I believe, option 4, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4, where they sent me the Il Makiage No Filter Poreless Base Smooth Primer. I will say the primer is not all that. I would compare it to the NYX primer that I have. So not a huge fan, especially for the price of this one. This is more on the high end of makeup side. And then as far as the foundation, I have it on now and it's picking up on camera the way I wanted it to pick up, because it makes me look orange. Like, this is my shade, but it just makes me, once it oxidizes more, because I just like reapplied the makeup, so once it oxidizes more, I'll turn even more orange, and my undertones are orange and yellow. So in the wintertime, my undertones tend to be more yellow, and then in the summertime, when I get a tan, they're more of a orange red. So it's not, they're undertones, like that's not the color of my skin. So the fact that the camera is picking up exactly what I see in person, like this is literally what you'll see. It probably won't be this bright because, you know, I have the light on like semi-natural light as well as the natural light coming from my window, but this is what it's giving. Like, it matches but it doesn't. So I have requested to return it and try out a different shade to see if that one preferably matches a little more. Maybe this just is a hit or miss for me. I guess with the quizzing, they are on the mark, but for people who don't know what their undertones are, like the questions they ask aren't really all that helpful, because it asks like, I don't know my undertones, so it asks like what color my veins are in my wrist, and I don't even know if you guys can see them or if the camera's picking up, but they're more of like a aqua color. So it says, are they more blue or green? For me personally, they're both. Like, it's like a, I don't want to say a mint green, but me looking at it, it's more like my veins are more of a this shade of me looking at my veins. So this is a blue green to me. It's not more blue or more green, it's a mix of both. So moving forward, we did the primer and then we did the foundation. And with the foundation, my shade was Woke Up Like This, which is 170. So if you are a tad bit darker than I am, this may work for you. I'm typically a 330, 335 in the Maybelline Fit Me. If you need a guide reference, I'll link down my regular foundations underneath, as well as the shades that I received when I tried out this foundation. And then they also sent me a brush. The brush is complimentary, and it's a nice little foundation brush that they sent. Let's see if I can open it. It came with the cute cover. It's very lightweight but also sturdy enough for you to blend out the foundation seamlessly. It did say full coverage. It is buildable, so it says 2 pumps. It literally took me 2 pumps to do one side of my face to achieve the full coverage, because I do have dark circles on my face that I do want to conceal. So this blended that out perfectly. They also sent a complimentary eyeliner. This is what it is, and then it is a felt tip eyeliner. And then I've applied eyeliner. I am not great with eyeliner, so what happened was I messed up this side and I went in with a lighter concealer and went over top of it to try to clean it up, but instead of blending it out, it kind of turned into a look. So I put another one on this side, so it looks like a double winged liner with black and like a cream white. So I just went with it. But the eyeliner and the makeup brush, when I picked this package, did come complimentary. So when I returned everything to get a new shade of foundation, everything has to be returned but these two items. So I appreciate that. So now I have a good foundation brush. So lastly, they sent me the Bucket Flawless concealer, and that came in the shade, let's see, came in the shade 13. This is how it looks, and then I currently have it on under my eyes. I don't like the cast ghostly eye. Like, I do like a bright under eye. I don't know, maybe I would go a shade darker, just because I just kind of feel like maybe this one is a little bit too light for my preference. It works for my under eye, but I mean for my brow bone, cleaning up my eyebrows, but as far as under my eyes, I'm not really a fan of how bright it is. I don't like my under eye to be this bright, not unless it's like a nightclub look, but for an everyday kind of soft face, I don't like it. But that is my updated review. You do have 14 days to try out the products and send them back, and this is not cap. I did, you know, print this out, so I will be putting it back in the packaging. I have the original packaging. This is what it came in, so this is what I'll be putting back in and putting that sticker over top of it and sending it back. So I really got that you guys enjoyed this video. If you stuck with me this long till the end, thanks for watching. If you're new, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. I typically upload on Sundays. If not Sundays, I do upload once a week, and I'm trying to get in the habit of uploading twice a week. If you are returning, hey girl, hey, thanks for sticking with me. And remember to stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Catch you next time, guys.